Hi guys, welcome to Curry Kitchen. I am making today the vegetable fried rice. For vegetable fried rice, I like some chopped garlic, chopped onion, some green peas, chopped cabbage, chopped carrot, and little bit sesame oil, and some soy sauce and turmeric. So I like the combination of turmeric and soy sauce, so delicious. And some chopped cilantro. If you have some green scallion, you can use it. Green onion, you can use it. And I have some basmati rice, it's boiled, and some oyster sauce I added here, black pepper powder, and some salt. And if you want to add the sugar, you can add the sugar, but I don't need it, I think. And first I'm gonna add some vegetable oil in here. And let's start with some chopped garlic here. And some chopped onion. Your pan should be hot in the beginning. If you have a wok, you can use the wok or any kind of pan you have. You can use this chopped carrot. Let's do the green peas and cabbage. I didn't tell you, I like some chopped tomatoes in my fried rice too. That's okay, makes it so delicious. Trust me, you guys need to try it. So pan was so hot, so I turned it off the fire. Now I'm gonna turn it back on. Pan is getting cold, so no need to saute a lot, just a little bit. We're gonna add some salt again, some black pepper powder. Then I add some tomato, and I'm gonna add a little bit turmeric. And trust me, it makes so delicious and different taste, and also it's healthy, of course. I can saute it here. Then I'm gonna turn it off right now. So make sure your vegetable doesn't get burned. I'm gonna add the rice here. And then I'm gonna add some soy sauce here. I'm gonna add some black pepper powder a little bit more, I like it. And some oyster sauce. Oyster sauce again. Then I'm gonna add some cilantro here. A little bit sesame oil, just drizzle it. I didn't saute the vegetable in the sesame oil because it's too strong. But then at the end, if you drizzle a little bit, it gives you a nice flavor in it. And turn it back on the fire. Well, I'm going to rest of the cilantro in here. Here in my bowl. If you're making for the kids, you don't need to put the black pepper more. You don't make it spicy for them. So good. And you can it looks so beautiful here, and of course so tasty. It's not in here. Let me try it. How it is. The tomato, I love it. So good. Thank you for watching.